Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today we will see the basic concept about simple equation. What is an equation? Equation, equal means you need two sides. This is equal to this. You are comparing, you are equating two elements. So in that, if anything is missing, you are finding that missing value. Here in this case, in algebra, we use a variable and a constant. So using the constant values, we'll find the value of the variable. Simple, you would have learned in your earlier classes that what should I add with 5 to get 12? What should I add here? What is the missing number here to get 12?
7.
7.
7.
In algebra, what we'll do? That box will become a variable. Plus 5 equal to 12. And we have to find the value of 7. What did you actually do to get the 7?
12 minus 5.
We subtract 12 with 5.
Yes. So that means what? Whatever number is here, consider this as a bridge. It crosses the bridge and changes its symbol. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. Same way, if it is multiplication, it will become division. If it is division, it will become multiplication. In other terms, numerator will shift to denominator, denominator will shift to numerator across the bridge. Do you understand? When in this case, the symbol will not change. In this case, the symbol changes. That's the only difference. Okay, so here
Okay, ma'am.
plus 5 crossed here as minus 5 and it became 7. Okay, shall we do some examples and check?
Yes, ma'am.
X plus 6 is equal to 10. What will happen here? X will become 10 plus 6 goes here as minus 6. X is 4. That means 4 plus 6 is 10. If I substitute this value to this, I should get this value. Then my full problem is solved. That is how I will recheck whether it is correct or not. See, for example, x minus 5 is equal to 20. So what happens here? X is equal to 20 minus 5 goes here as plus 5 and it becomes 25. Now recheck. 25 minus 5 is 20. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the substitution
Yes,
correct? Okay. 3x is equal to 18. Now there is no symbol in between. This represents multiplication, 3 into x. So what happens? This is in the numerator. Considering if it is 1 here, this 3 is in the numerator. So keeping the variable here, 18 is as it is, this 3 multiplication becomes division or numerator becomes denominator. 18 by 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Now substitute this value here. 3 into 6 is
18.
18.
80. So my answer is correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now x by 2 is equal to minus 6. Denominator will become,
Numerator.
that means
Numerator.
division to multiplication. So x is equal to minus 6 into 2. So it becomes, what is minus 6 into 2? Minus 12. It's multiplication.
Yes.
Okay. So now verify. Minus 12 divided by 2. It's the LHS. Okay. Now 2 6 are 12. What 12 it is? Minus 6. So my answer is correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now the question is like box minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Same concept. Consider this box as x minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. What happens to minus 5 by 8 when it goes here?
Plus.
It becomes
Plus.
plus 5.
Plus. The positions will not change just because it is fraction. The x minus 4 equal to 6 will be x is equal to 6 plus 4 only because this is 4 by 1. I didn't change it to 1 by 4. Only if it is multiplication, I can do that. If it is plus or minus, I can't do that. Clear? Now, next step will be x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Now, is it a like fraction? That means what? Is the denominator same? No.
No, ma'am.
No.
So, what is the
It's a random
LCM?
fraction.
Yes. 8 is a multiple of 4. So, I can take 8 as the LCM. So, 4 into what is 8? 2. So, this value also will become 2. Here, it's only 1. So, there is no change. So, 2 ones are 2. 4 into 2 is 8 is already written here. Plus 5. So, answer is 7 by 8. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
shall we verify and check? 7
Yes,
by
ma'am.
8 minus 5 by 8 is nothing but 2 by 8. But it's not the same. Is it the same or
We
not?
have to simplify it.
Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. We got 1 by 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So they have given minus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 5 is 1 by 2. What will be my next step?
Putting 1 by
X
5.
equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5.
Correct. Now, what is LCM?
10.
Correct. Now, this is into 5, this is into 5. This is into 2, this is into 2. So, numerator will become 5 plus 2, 7 by 10. If they tell you to verify, what will you do? 7 by 10
1 by 10 minus 1 by 5.
1 by 5. LCM is 10. So, it will become 7 minus 2, 5 by 10. Again, simplify. What will I get?
1 by 2.
By 2.
That's my RHS. RHS means right hand side of the equation. This is left hand side of my equation. Is it clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then your next this thing was they have given 5m equal to 60. And they will be giving something like which one satisfies this. It's like option. Instead of substituting everything here, what should we do? M will be equal to numerator. This is multiplication. So it will
Yes,
become
ma'am.
It will be 12.
60 divided by 5.
divided. 5 ones are 5 12s are. This is my answer.
Yes, ma'am.
N plus 12 equal to 20. N is equal to what?
20 minus 12.
Correct. Which is
8.
8.
8. What happens? Some children will write it like n is equal to 12 minus 20. What happens to that if you write this like this? We already know plus
It will
12
be
will become
minus 8.
minus. It will become minus 8. And if I substitute minus 8 here, it will become 4. That is not my answer. So you should not write like that. Existing number should remain same. Whatever you are shifting to the other side, write it after that. Always remember that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let's see these sums. P value. P is equal to 5
10.
plus 5. So 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So 10 minus 5 is 5.
Yes, ma'am.
R is equal to 0
Plus 4.
0
plus
plus
4.
4.
So 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
This will become, who can tell me? Q is equal to, denominator will become
Numerator.
14
7.
by 2 is 7.
14
Yes,
by
ma'am.
2 is 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your last sum, x is equal to
2 minus 4.
2 minus 4 will become
-2.
minus
2.
2. So just check. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Which is nothing
Yes.
but 4 minus 2. Okay.
ma'am.
Now
Okay.
let's check this sum. 7x minus 4 equal to 17. See, I have addition, subtraction here. I have multiplication here. Okay. So how do I do it? First, I will keep 7x as it is. And I will take only the number here. First, I do this. First, this step. The constant, all the constant I am taking because this is part of 1. This is one term. So I am splitting this term. Constant alone, I am taking it that side. So it will become 7x is equal to 21. Now this is multiplication.
7 into 3 minus 4 is 17.
So this will become 3. So 3 sevens are 21. 21 minus 4 is 17. You understood the concept?
Yes.
3x minus 5 equal to 10. So it will become, Pradita, you tell, 3x will be equal to
3x will be equal to
10 minus 5 will become
plus 5.
plus 5. So 3x will become 10 plus 5,
15.
50. So now this is multiplication. X is equal to 15. Numerator will become
3.
denominator. So 15 divided by 3,
5.
5. So now recheck. X value you put 5 here. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 5, 10.
Yes, ma'am.
The concept is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.